Hello friends, welcome in RKG biology tutorial. We are going to discuss about cardiac muscle. See, this is a typical diagram of cardiac muscle, and we know that in muscular tissue, the cell membrane or plasma lemma known as the sarcolemma. Clear? And cytoplasm known as the sarcoplasm. And endoplasmic reticulum inside the cytoplasm, that means sarcoplasm, known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And cardiac muscle fibers are striated muscle. They are structurally similar to the striated muscle. They have the cross striation. That means they have the dark band and light band. Clear? And they are uninucleated muscle fibers. Clear? Having one nucleus in each cell. And here one cardiac muscle fiber attached to another cardiac muscle fiber, and this junction have the thickening, and this thickening considered as the intercalated disc or booster rings. Clear? So this is the junctions between adjacent cells, and that thickening considered as the intercalated disc or booster rings. Clear? And these are branched cells. Clear? Cylindrical cells. See here, cardiac muscle present only in the wall of heart. Cardiac muscle सिर्फ और सिर्फ wall of heart में present होता है, that is the myocardium में. Clear? So cardiac muscle is the characteristic feature of heart. It present only in wall of heart, that mean in myocardium. और कार्डियक मसल स्ट्रक्चरली सिमिलर है स्ट्रिएटेड मसल के, क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है, क्रॉस स्ट्रिएशन होता है, लाइट बैंड एंड डार्क बैंड होता है. लाइट बैंड दैट इज आई बैंड, दैट मीन आइसोट्रोपिक बैंड. इसके थ्रू क्या कर सकता है, लाइट कैन पास थ्रू इट. एंड दिस वन इज द डार्क बैंड, दैट इज द ए बैंड एंड आइसोट्रोपिक बैंड. एंड थ्रू दिस dark band light cannot pass, so they have the dark and light band, that mean cross striation, and that is the structurally similar to the striated muscle. So cardiac muscle is structurally similar to the striated muscle. They have the cross striation, dark band and light band. And cardiac muscle functionally similar to the smooth muscle. Clear? That means they are involuntary in nature. Their relaxation and contraction not under our desire, under not our control. Clear? So functionally they are involuntary. That means similar to the smooth muscle. Next, they are cylindrical, branched and uninucleated. इस तरह से होती है ये. That is cylindrical, elongated, uninucleated and branched होती हैं. और कार्डियक मसल में रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ट्रोपोनिन एंड ट्रोपोमायोसिन. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ कार्डियक मसल्स. क्लियर? कार्डियक मसल present only in the wall of heart, and that is the myocardium. It is structurally similar to the striated muscle. That means having the dark band, these are the dark bands, these are the dark band, and through dark band light cannot pass. And they have the light band, these regions are the light band. Through these region light can pass. Light band, that is the isotropic band, and dark band, that is A band, anisotropic band. And they are uninucleated, having one nucleus in each muscle cell. Clear? And muscle cells interconnected and have a thickening, and that thickening considered as the intercalated disc or booster rings. presence of intercalated disc is the characteristic feature of cardiac muscle. Clear? Okay. And the main function of cardiac muscle, it relax and contract and generate the heartbeat. जब कार्डियक मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा, रिलैक्स करेगा, तो क्या हार्ट बीट जनरेट होता है. क्लियर? सो रिलैक्सेशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ wall of the heart due to the cardiac muscle. This is the main function of cardiac muscle. In next lecture, we will see the comparison between striated muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. Link is given in the description for notes. I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment the videos.